We humans are smart, we build things, solve problems, and even dream up new worlds in our minds. But now, we have created something new: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is about making machines think and learn like us. Imagine a computer playing chess, not just moving pieces randomly, but actually strategizing, learning from each move. That's AI in action. It's about machines understanding information, making decisions, and even getting better over time, just like we do. This isn't science fiction anymore. AI is already here, working behind the scenes in our phones, cars, and even our homes. It's helping us do things faster, better, and in ways we never thought possible before. But AI isn't just about technology, it's about us, about how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And as AI continues to evolve, it's going to change our world in profound ways. How does AI actually work? The key is something called machine learning. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You don't give them a textbook, you let them try, fall, and learn from their mistakes. Machine learning is similar. We feed AI systems massive amounts of data, images, text, numbers, and they use this data to learn patterns and make predictions. The more data they process, the better they get at their task. Let's take an example. Imagine you're training an AI to recognize cats in pictures. You show it thousands of cat pictures and it starts to identify the features that make a cat a cat. Pointy ears, a furry tail, those piercing eyes. Now, show it a new picture, and it can tell you with remarkable accuracy whether or not it's a cat. This ability to learn from data is what makes AI so powerful and versatile. AI isn't confined to a single country or continent, it's a global phenomenon. Countries all over the world are investing heavily in AI research and development, recognizing its potential to revolutionize various sectors. China, for instance, is making significant strides in AI-powered surveillance and facial recognition technology. Japan, with its aging population, is at the forefront of developing robots for companionship and caregiving. In Europe, countries like France and Germany are focusing on AI applications in manufacturing and industrial automation. Meanwhile, the United States remains a leader in AI research and development, with tech giants like Google and Microsoft pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This global race to harness the power of AI is fueling innovation at an unprecedented rate, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and applications that are shaping our world. One of the most promising areas where AI is making a real difference is healthcare. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, leading to faster and more effective treatments. That's precisely what's happening. AI algorithms are being trained to analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs, identifying anomalies that might escape the human eye. This early detection can be crucial in fighting diseases like cancer, but AI's role in healthcare goes beyond diagnostics. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision, minimizing risks, and improving patient outcomes. And in drug discovery, AI is accelerating the process of developing new medications, potentially leading to cures for diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. The potential of AI to transform healthcare is immense, offering the promise of a healthier and longer life for people around the globe. Section 5: AI in the classroom. Education is another field being transformed by AI. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's strengths and weaknesses. AI is making this a reality. Intelligent tutoring systems can track a student's progress and adjust the curriculum accordingly, providing extra support in areas where they struggle and challenging them to excel in areas where they thrive. This personalized approach can make learning more engaging and effective for students of all abilities. AI is also breaking down geographical barriers in education. Online learning platforms powered by AI can connect students from remote areas with the best teachers and resources from around the world. Language barriers are being overcome through real-time translation tools, making knowledge accessible to a wider audience than ever before. The future of education is intertwined with AI, promising a more personalized, accessible, and engaging learning experience for future generations. Section 6: Smarter Transportation. Remember the days of traffic jams and long commutes? AI is changing that too. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic dream, are becoming a reality, promising safer, more efficient, and less congested roads. AI algorithms are being trained to navigate complex road conditions, making split-second decisions to avoid obstacles and keep passengers safe. These self-driving systems are constantly learning from data, improving their driving skills over time. But AI's impact on transportation goes beyond self-driving cars. Intelligent traffic management systems are optimizing traffic flow in cities, reducing congestion and minimizing travel times. AI is also being used to improve public transportation, making it more reliable, efficient, and accessible to everyone. The future of transportation is smart, connected, and driven by AI, offering a glimpse of a world with smoother, safer, and more sustainable ways to get around. Section 7. The darker side of AI. While the potential benefits of AI are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks and challenges it poses. One of the biggest concerns is the impact on jobs. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's capable of automating tasks that were once performed by humans. This automation could lead to job displacement in various sectors, from manufacturing to customer service. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI systems. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases in society, the AI systems themselves can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. For example, an AI system used in hiring decisions, if trained on biased data, could unfairly disadvantage certain groups of people. It's essential to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically, addressing these concerns and mitigating potential risks. Section 8. Ethics and the Future of Intelligence. The development and deployment of AI raise profound ethical questions that we, as a global society, need to address. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI is used for good and not for malicious purposes? These are complex questions with no easy answers. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI, involving experts from various fields, policymakers, and the public. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for the development and use of AI, ensuring that it aligns with our values and benefits humanity as a whole. This includes addressing issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential impact on jobs. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity. Section 9. A global conversation. Artificial intelligence is poised to transform our world in ways we are only beginning to imagine. It has the potential to solve some of our greatest challenges, from curing diseases to combating climate change, but it also presents risks that we need to address responsibly. This is not just a technological revolution, it's a societal one. It requires a global conversation, a collective effort to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically, responsibly, and for the benefit of all. As we venture further into the age of AI, let us do so with open minds, a spirit of collaboration, and a commitment to shaping a future where artificial intelligence empowers and enhances human potential rather than diminishing it. After all, the future of intelligence is not just about how smart our machines become, but about how wisely we use them.